Flamingo? Is that you?
Flamingo. I haven't heard that name in years. Look, sonny boy. Don't make the same mistakes as me. I spent all my YouTube money on beans. If only I knew about the browser extension Honey, which would have saved me thousands of dollars. All you gotta do is install Honey. It's available on any browser. When you're at checkout of any item, check on the upper right. The Honey logo should pop up, and if there's a discount or coupon available, Honey will give it to you. And people who have already used joinhoney.com/flamingo have already saved a lot of money.
Flamingo? Flamingo? Flamingo?